How you doing? Are you ready to turn heads and freeze hearts with a makeup look so stunning that even Frosty the Snowman would be jealous? If so, then continue watching and let's get started on this winter makeup look. Okay? Sucker! Okay, so we're gonna start with eyes, and that entails putting concealer on first. I'm gonna dive right into this one, okay? Putting that concealer on my eyelids, and then we'll set with some setting powder. Can you see me? I need to zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna take it up to my eyebrows. I'm gonna make sure it's a little dry too. It's one down, one to go. Now I'm putting some setting powder on top. You can also use pressed foundation, foundation powder, whatever to set, and even eyeshadow in some cases. Okay, I just want to make sure it's nice and good to go. I should have put some concealer on the bottom as well. Let me do that real fast. Just a little touch of concealer. I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, that's that again. And I also have a little bit of eyeliner on to make me feel like myself, and some color correction above the top of my lip. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting a crease color in. I'm gonna use this LA Colors Neon Gel eyeliner to get it started. The shade is called Wonder. Just gonna put it right in here, just a little, just to help that color pop underneath once I put the shadow on top. I think that's good enough. Okay, now we're gonna go in with some shadow. I have a few shades that I'm using. It's going to be this MAC eyeshadow that I had picked up a long time ago that I want to use for this. So I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to tap between this Kaleidoscope eyeshadow. So out of this palette, I'm going to use Afterthought Marina. And I'm going to put that as a crease color. Well, first I'm going to go in with the MAC light blue, baby blue. I need to get some new brushes. And as usual, you don't have to be perfect. That's my motto. Ain't nothing gotta be perfect on my channel. Just get it on there. Now I'm tapping into the Afterthought and Marina. See, that's what I'm talking about with these brushes. They don't blend very well. And I'm holding it right. It's just like frayed. Now doing the other eye. Such a pretty color though. Oh my gosh. All those blues are so beautiful. Now I'm gonna clean up the edges with a makeup wipe. Now I'm gonna take this deeper blue right here. Just put a light line in the actual crease just to give some definition. A small line. Now the other side. Now we're gonna cut the crease in a sloppy way because I don't have the proper brushes to make it a nice clean edge. Taking some concealer and going over the lighter area underneath my crease. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the full eyelid and then apply shadows as needed. I'm gonna do the other eyelid off camera. I'll be right back. This is the make or break. And setting that with a little bit of setting powder. That might be a redundant move, but we're just gonna go over it with a white eyeliner. And this is LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil, and the shade is Seashells. So we're just gonna go over that concealer with this white eyeliner. I'm gonna take it all the way across. Now doing the other eye. I will say you could probably skip doing the concealer and just do the eyeliner because it may be just too much product on top now. I'm just dragging that eyeliner right on top. What we're doing next is putting some white eyeshadow right on top of that. When I did this look previously, I did not put the setting powder on top of the concealer when I was cutting the crease. So that, I don't know if that was the best move, but we shall see how this comes out. Okay, now taking a white eyeshadow. I'm using one of the palettes that I used in one of my previous videos. This is the Hard Candy Silver Screen eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use White Dress right here. So taking a blending brush. This one's a little fluffier, and I'm gonna just go right on top of that white liner. You could use a flat brush as well, and I'm just building that white on top. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect because we have more stuff coming on. Okay, now we're gonna take that white eyeliner and outline my lower lash line and the inner corner of my eye. And we're gonna pull it into the corner here carefully. Now taking Wet n Wild Color Icon Multi-Stick in shade Blue La La, I'm gonna line the outer part of my lash line. I'm gonna take it out to the corner and do the same on the other eye. So what we're looking like so far, it's kind of crazy looking. Now we're gonna go in with some blue shadow. I'm gonna take this side of the blue shadow right here. That's the MAC shadow. And I'm gonna tap it on top of the blue liner I just put down. Should have probably used a different brush because it's dragging a little underneath. Let's see, I don't have another one though. Nope, I don't have any available. So the show must go on. From the Kaleidoscope palette, I'm going to take this right here. It's called Blue Ice, and I'm going to put it underneath the dark blue that I just put on the lower lash line. And I'm sort of smudging it underneath. Now I'm taking that same white liner and I'm just going to go just underneath my eyebrow lightly. And now we're just going to put a little bit of powder white dress on top of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face and then come back to do the finishing touches on the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and take some foundation. And this is the foundation I have on hand. I used it in my last video. It is Fit Me. Okay, I'm going to take my brush, put it on, and then go in with a beauty blender after. I just prefer to do it this way because it's fun. Taking a beauty blender, press that in. I'm going to set with my MAC Studio Fix. Okay, so now we're going to go in with some blush. It's MAC Prism, but it's a beautiful shade and it is matte, so it works for me. I'm gonna go underneath the cheekbone, kind of like shape it the way that I like, which is making the sides slimmer all around here and under my chin for sure. And I take it down a little bit into a upside down triangle and some on the side here. It's hard to tell on the camera and in this mirror, so hopefully that looks good. Okay, now we're gonna put on some blush. I'm taking Pink Spoon and applying it on my cheekbones right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make me look cold. I'm gonna use the blush out of this palette to accomplish this. It is this blush right here called Desert Rose, and it is a hard candy Look Pro eyeshadow palette. I've used it in one of my first videos, but I just like the color for this because it is cold looking pink. Now I'm gonna take it on my nose, the middle, and then I'm gonna take it across right in here in between like the blush and the contour, and just a tiny bit towards the center of the cheek. I don't want to go too far into the middle of my cheek because it make me look older, I think, as I proceed to add more. Okay, I think that's good for now. I can always add in more. All right, now I'm gonna put some highlighter on, and this is that same one I used in the 5-minute challenge. It is MAC Gilded Peach. Just taking some of that and applying it above my cheekbone and over my eyebrow. I'm gonna take a little bit on my chin and the tip of my nose. All right, now we're gonna do eyebrows. I don't typically do much with my eyebrows, but just to go through the motions, I'm taking this Wet n Wild color icon See My Brow Now, which I've used in a lot of other videos. I'm just sort of filling it in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face before I do anything else. If I want to add more, I can. Where is my setting spray? Okay. Some hydration. Lord knows. Okay, while that's setting, I'm gonna do my lips. For my lips, I'm taking Subculture Lip Pencil from MAC and outlining them. Now for lipstick, I am using MAC, and this is Honey Love. I used it in my last video, but I'm gonna go over Honey Love with another lipstick. Now taking a clear lipstick, I'm just gonna go over Honey Love. And then I'm taking a gloss from MAC. It's called Entourage, I believe. It's getting faded. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and go over Honey Love and the clear and put it in the middle. Now that my face is set, I'm going to use the same multi-stick that I used earlier from my under eye, Ooh La La from Wet n Wild multi-stick, and I'm gonna make cat eye. Just putting some wings, that's all it is. I'm gonna go over that with LA Colors Neon Gel Eyeliner in shade Swell, because it has more of a defined tip. I'm gonna go in with some mascara now. I'm applying Lash Paradise and Sky High, coating one after another. Taking Lash Paradise, I'm going over that with Sky High. I'm doing the lower lashes. This is the look so far. I'm gonna take Euphoria and the Kaleidoscope Profusion palette right here. And I'm gonna put that above my eyebrows and we'll see if I like it. You can skip this step if you want. I just am intrigued. Okay, let's see what we got here. The sparkles are kind of greenish, so I do have another glitter that is blue, so I might put that on top of this. Okay, so I put the glitter on the top. It doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty good. So yeah, this is the look all complete. Take off my little thing here. And there you are. A winter makeup full face tutorial with a cold nose. I do want to go and try on some contacts, some blue contacts right now, just to see what it looks like with the full look. So I will be right back. So this is the look with blue eyes. Who else is excited about winter themed makeup palettes? Give me a hands up in the comments, because I am. I was already checking out MAC's winter eyeshadow palette. I'm excited. I hope you liked this look, and if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe using pinky, your pointer, or your thumb and show me some love. Oh, that's cute. That's cute, yeah.